I'm Rosie. Have you ever noticed the small floaty things in your eyes? Well, do you try to rub it out? Those are flying flies. They're not actually bugs, but they can be a pest. They can be bits of tissue, blood cells, or bits of protein. They can vanish when you try to see them clearer, but reappear again when you shift it your glance. But how did those tiny things go into our eyes in the first place? Well, it doesn't exist outside. It exists right in our eyes. There's a jelly-like substance in our eyes. Then when it begins to change, it makes these small things, and that are called flying flies. They seem to be alive because they change shape every time, but they're actually not. They only change shape because they're a mixture of water in front of our eyes. So when they are in front of our eyes, they swim around in that mixture. They look like tiny worms or transparent blob because those are bits of tissue, blood cells, proteins. The blue sky spirits are also another thing that goes swimming in our eyes. It has a white head and a tail. The blue sky spirits are made of white blood cells and red blood cells. The white ones are nearly big enough to stuck in the pipe that our red blood cells go through. So the red blood cells behind the white blood cells begin to stuck into the blood cells. So the white blood cells. So when you look at the clear blue sky, the thing that called blue sky spirits darts around so fast. The white cells are nearly transparent to the blue light, so we only see dots of white light. But the red cells are not. That's what the black thing following it is. Now, as the small flying flies, our brain learns to ignore the small flying flies because they're not actually a bait or pest. But what if you see a big flying fly that blocks your whole vision? That could be a sign of serious condition, and you need to go to the doctor to have special treatment right away, or it will be too late. I hope you learned a lot from this. I hope you learned a lot from my presentation today, and I hope you will want to see some more next time. Bye!